Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to compare the new iPhone 16 Pro with the 16 Pro Max. Now, these are going to be a top of the line phones, and whether you're deciding to go with the regular Pro versus the Pro Max one, everything you need to know we're going to discuss in this video. So let's get started here. So I have these two phones that we recently unboxed on our channel. I have here the Pro model in the black titanium color. If you want to see an unboxing of this one, I'll leave a link for it as well, which is one of the popular colors that you can get it in. And then I have here the desert titanium and the Pro Max. That's in the newer color that was replacing the blue one. You can also get it in white and natural as well. So again, if you want to check those out. So let's see how that looks like for us. So right off the bat, you can see here the big difference. The obvious difference is going to be the size between these two. Now the regular Pro comes in a 6.3 inch display and the Max comes at 6.9 inch display. The other big noticeable difference is going to be, of course, the weight of it. The Pro weighs around 7 ounce or 199 grams, and the Max weighs just a little under 8 ounce or 227 grams. So that's going to be what it looks like. So side by side here, you'll see that naturally my hands are small to medium, so for me the regular Pro does well in terms of moving my finger around. And then when it comes to the Pro Max, you'll notice here I sort of only get halfway, kind of have to move my hand around. So if that's something you should probably consider in terms of the sizing, you probably want to consider that as well. And then the other thing probably is going to be coming down to, it's going to be the price and the storage, which are going to depend on how much you're paying for it. So with the Pro here, you can get it in 128 gig, the lowest storage for the $999 price tag. Then you can also get it in 256 gig, which is $1099, and then the 512 gig, which you can get it for around $1299, and then 1 terabyte, which is the most you can get on either of these devices, starts at $1499. Now the Pro Max here starts at 256 gig storage. There is no 128 gig storage, so the 256 storage starts at $1099, actually $1199, $100 more than the other one. And then 512 gig is $1399, and then 1 terabyte is $1599, which is the most expensive model you can get. Now along with that, the other big thing it's going to be for these phones are the battery life. So you're going to expect a different battery on each of them just because one of them holds a bigger battery, which is pretty obvious here. But the Pro here gives you around 27 hours of video playback versus the Pro Max, which is rated to give you 33 hours of video playback. So that's a 6-hour difference between these two phones as well, which again is expected because the Pro Max has a bigger body which can hold a bigger phone. Now that's of course given that the phone is brand new out of the box here. Now other things you might also consider between these phones, it's going to be essentially when it comes down to usability in your hand here. As I mentioned, again, both phones are great. They have the new camera control option here. Again, same size, all of the features on iOS 18, so you're not really missing much of it. But if you do a side-by-side comparison, that's what you're looking at. So again, to answer the question whether which phone is right for you, it's going to be coming down to the size, price, the storage, and of course that boost in battery life. Aside that, you're not going to notice much of a difference in terms of the performance. Both of the phones, as we tested out, performs the same, runs all the apps, runs on iOS 18. There is no difference in that area as well. So that's it for the comparison. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.